Welcome to this tutorial video. This video will show you how to flip horizontally, flip vertically, or rotate 90 degrees with just one click, so you can easily refresh your floor plan and restore it anytime. Simple and hassle-free. Let's try it together. Go to Interior Design Tools. In the top toolbar, select Toolkit, Flip. There are three types of flips: flip horizontal, flip vertical, and rotate 90 degrees. If you choose flip horizontal, select the flip object in the pop-up panel and click OK. The floor plan will be flipped left to right. Note that only supports floor plan and non-custom furniture to follow the flip. If you choose flip vertical, the floor plan will be flipped up and down. If you choose rotate 90 degrees, the floor plan will be rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise. If you need to restore to the previous floor plan effect, there are two ways to restore. Method 1. After successfully flipping the floor plan, click Restore in the prompt window. Method 2. Select File, Restore History Versions, and you can restore to the previous floor plan effect. That's all. Thanks for watching.